Hello, my name is Mitansh Nayak and welcome to my course Create Anything with AI. So this is section number 7, some bonus AI tools that I am going to give you all, and this is lecture number 1, You Learn AI. So let's start. First go to Google and type You Learn AI and click on the first link. Now, after doing sign in and sign up, you will come to this type of interface. So now this AI is made up for students like me who are doing who are doing school work. So this help you in educational purposes, how to prepare for exam and that all. This is very useful AI. I have used it lot personally also. So now over here, there are some of the video lectures. If you come downwards and click on show more, there are so many video lectures. These are not like our school lectures. These are a basic knowledgeable lectures which you can see. These are very helpful and very knowledgeable. But the main thing, the main use of this AI is first, here we can also give here there are so many features. Like you can see that the below there is a section of spaces. So this spaces section is very good. Now first we have to edit the name. For example, exam, annual exam. Let's keep it annual exam. So this will become a space which will help us in preparation of annual exams. So we can also put here descriptions, which is no need. Now over here we can create any chat, create any exam. So for that we have to click on space chat. Here we can talk with the AI tutor and this will help us. For example, if we say help me practice class 9 trigonometry and any type of specific topic of trigonometry like trigonometric equations, you could say that, give a detailed prompts so it can help. So it is asking for specific topics of trigonometry, like for example, let's see trigo equations. Yes, I have generated free response question to trigonometric equations. So like this you can practice. If your practice sums has over, if your practice module has over, you can use this AI tool to practice more sums. It can also make for NEET, JEE, all those competitive exams, Olympiads too. So this has made. Now another thing, the most important thing is here we can upload any file. For example, if I am uploading my file, wait a second. For example, I am uploading my file. So in this file, I have made a research paper on how black holes work. So this is a paper on the details of black holes. What does the black holes do and that all. So in this space which we have created, all this PDF gets means collected. Now if I have some YouTube videos on black holes, I can put that all. So these are like sources. We can put PDFs, videos, lectures, some of podcasts, all things, and then it will create a exam for us. So using this all materials, taking out the content from these all materials, it will create a exam for us, means a quiz or that all things. So we can practice through that also. For example, if I go to YouTube and now click on black holes. For example, I am taking about black holes. If I'm taking this video of a black holes explained from birth to death, I have to copy its URL from here, copy its URL, then go to the ulearn AI tutor and paste that link. So here I will paste that link and you can see that this YouTube video has been uploaded in this space. Now you can also put recorded classes, some video calls, some of the files, audios, videos from here. Means you can put so many sources of your topic into that. You can put so many, means so many vast content. You can put the PDF of your textbook, NCRT textbook, and then click on create exam. So we can also choose the contents from which you have. So I have selected all, two of two, both contents. You can select it from here, that from which video you want your exam to be prepared. Now let's click on continue. Have a practice exam on or cheat sheet for a reference. So you could also have an cheat sheet or practice reference, but I don't need that. Let's click on skip. Then choose your preference, number of questions. We can also take number of questions on it. For example, I am choosing very low questions only because this is a trial video. Let's choose 5. Then question types, multiple choice, free response, any of both, etc. So I'm choosing multiple choice questions only. Then exam length, how many minutes for that? Let's keep it of 8 minutes. And let's, no, let's click on 10 minutes. And let's click on start button. So it will prepare the exam materials and now I have to give that exam. So let's see and wait till it generates the questions. So now your exam has been created. Let's start doing it. Which observational evidence is not used to detect any mode direct correction? So for completing this exam, you have let me do it fastly. Click any random one. If you don't know, you can click on skip option also. Now, as 5 questions has been done, we have to submit the exam and it will review the marks. As you can see, the first question, it is incorrect. It will also give explanation, as you can see, that why it is incorrect. Then you can also, if so, the second question is correct, it gives explanation. Then second question, first question, the incorrect and correct one will be shown. Now, if you have a doubt in the first question that why this is incorrect, you could go to ask chat and now over here this will open and you can ask the doubt and it will immediately answer the question and clarify your doubts. So this is a very flexible system. Now you can also go on try again. It will generate new questions. Then again you can give the exam. And to view the results, click on view results. So as you can see that 0 has been skipped, time taken, then your score, how many percentage, and it is showing all the things. Then it can create a new exam also. It can also retake new questions. We can also click on try. Then you can share your exam if your ma'am is asking you, or if your mom or dad is asking you that how much you gained in this app, how much you are making progress. You can share these results directly to him or her. So, in my point of view, this is the best ever tool out of the whole course because it is so much useful in our day-to-day lives, especially in the students. So, you can use this tool to maximize your productivity in the school and learn more and more things. So, this was it for the demo tutorial video. Thank you and bye. Hello, my name is Mitansh Nayak and welcome to my course Create Anything with AI. So this is section number 7, bonus AI tools. This is lecture number 1, Google's Notebook LM. So let's start. So first come to Google and type Notebook LM and click on the first link. And after doing signing and sign up, this type of main interface comes. So over here, you have to click on create new notebook. Then it will create this type of panel appears out. Here it may this, what does it actually do? So over here we can upload so many sources like PDFs, some of audios, text, markdowns, some of the audio files like MP3, and these all things are supported. From this type of website, this type of PDFs and that all things, it will take the content from it and generate an audiobook. It will make an audio book, it will make a notebook from that. And here we can also take some Google documents from the Google Drive. We can also put some of the websites and YouTube's link. Means we can take content from YouTube and website also. And we can also paste the text from which it will take the content. So the source limit will be 50. We can put at least 50 sources in your notebook LM. So let's start putting sources. This this is a PDF on black holes. This is one source. Now, when you add the source, this type of panel opens. So this is one source. Now I want to add some another source. So for that, I can also add a YouTube link. So for that, let's go to YouTube and take a link from that. So as I'm making an notebook on black holes, so let's type black holes only. So here, let's take this video also by copying its link and pasting over there. So from here we can copy its link, then again go back and paste over here. Then we can insert it. So the new black holes one video has been. Then another, let me give any website, or I can also give some another type of video. So let's take this video on black holes. Let's put it here. Then other type of things that we can do is paste any text. So for example, if I open ChatGPT and make a brief, long article on black holes and explain everything about it. So I will take an article from here and paste it over there. So let me copy it. So I have copied an article from here, and now let's paste the copy test. So this is an article, means a copy text which I made with the help of AI. Now, like this, we can add so many sources to it. If we have a blog or a website, we can also put it. If we have an Google, means a document, we can also put it through Google Drive. So like this, we can put so many sources over here. And over here, come to the right panel, rightmost panel. So over here we can create audio in so many languages. Hindi, if you like to hear it in Hindi, it can be done. If you want to like reading in means hearing it in English, then you can do. So now over here, there are so many things we can do with the help of these sources. First, it is audio generation. We can make audio overview of this. It will not exactly copy the content. It will verify the content and then summarize it, and then take it in a form of a story. Then second one, the mind map using these all things. Reports, means the report and the some of the overviews, some of the things that it has verified. Then some of the flashcards, and it can also make an AI interactive quiz. So this thing is very helpful in your exam. If you are a school student, then it is very helpful in exam. If you imagine if you have a exam of science on the next day, then you can take out the PDF of the whole NCRT chapter and put it in the source box and make a audio overview, and you can listen it at night. You can make mind map so that you can easily do it. You can also make flashcards to remember more things. You can also take quiz to verify yourself. So many things can be done by this. Now, according to this all sources, let's first create audio overview. So to do that, click on that. So it will take few minutes for generating the audio overview. Till then, we can also make so many other things, like we can make a quiz from that. Let's click on that also. Then we can also make flashcards using that. So for this video, I'm also generating flashcards from it. So as you can see in the bottom right column, all the things are putted on generation. After a few minutes, I think 10 to 15 minutes, it will be completely generated. So let's wait. So till then it is generating. I want to also teach you something else. If you go to the right panel and click on here, create an audio overview. So here an panel pops out. Over here, there are so many type of format in which you can make the audio, means the audio generation. First is deep dive. Deep dive is like a conversation between two hosts. You can make a conversation between two hosts and all the source will be made. And critic means an expert will review your sources and make a constructive feedback. Then a brief is a bite sized overview, means it is a totally overview. Then a debate means people will be debating on the sources, and like this there are the formats in which you can make it. So I have choose the deep dive in this whole generations. Now you can, other thing is you can choose the language in which it will say. So I will make another generation also in which I will choose Hindi language. Let's see in that also. Let's choose Hindi language. Here we can also make describe the length. It should be shorter or default. So here now let's change the format. Let's use the brief one. No, the debate one. Now let's click on the generate to. So till then our flashcards of black hole has been made. Now let's look at the flashcards. So you can see these are the flashcards. Let's see the first one. According to Einstein's theory, what are the two factors that cause time dilation? So what does flashcard means? It has some questions which are the important key questions. You can study and remember from these flashcards. And if you do not know the answer, click on see answer. And like this, the answer will be revealed. And if you don't know how this is the answer, how it is possible, you can ask it. It will explain this flashcard. For going to the another flashcard, click on this arrow button. So like this, so many flashcards are created. Then you can also see the answer and ask how. So like this, it has made 75 cards, 75 flashcards. And this number varies from the sources, the number of sources you have added. So these are the main types of flashcards made by it. You can see it over here. Now let's go to the another generation, which is it has made the audio generation. Let's hear that also.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're tackling something truly massive. Literally. We're diving into the universe's most extreme objects.
Regions of spacetime so dense they trap everything, even light itself.
We're talking about black holes.
Exactly. And our sources today range from, well, the bedrock of general relativity right up to the amazing images science has captured recently.
Our mission really is to sift through all this, use the evidence to figure out, where the solid science stops.
So like this, you can make an audio overview of it. If you like it, if you want to hear it later, then you can click on download option. Then it will be downloaded in your computer, and then you can hear it. You can also increase the playback speed by clicking on here. So this was the audio generation. Now let's go towards the second generation, which is it has made the quiz. Now let's hear that. So this is the black hole quiz. Let's see. First one. According to Einstein's general theory, what is the fundamental reason that time passes more slowly? So here there are four questions, four options. So we can click on that and it will instantly reveal the answer, which is the right. And if you have a doubt in the question, you can go and click on explain. It will explain you how it is. So like this, it has made 12 questions and the number of questions again depends on the number of sources you have put it. So like this you can choose, and after that this is a perfect quiz made by Notebook LM. Now let's go towards the second generation, the last generation. So finally, after waiting for 5 to 10 minutes, it has also generated the Hindi one, which we made the audio overview in Hindi. So let's see that also.
नमस्कार और स्वागत है हमारे आज के विचार विमर्श में। आज हम स्रोत सामग्री के आधार पर एक ऐसे सवाल में गोता लगा रहे हैं जो सदियों से कल्पना और विज्ञान दोनों को चकराता रहा है। अगर कोई चीज या शायद कोई इंसान ब्लैक होल के इवेंट होराइजन को पार कर जाए, हाँ, मतलब वो सीमा जिसके पार कुछ भी वापस नहीं आ सकता, तो उसके साथ असल में होता क्या है?
ये सिर्फ इंटरस्टेलर जैसी फिल्मों का मसाला नहीं है, बल्कि ये हमारी भौतिकी की समझ की, आप कह सकते हैं, हदों का सीधा सवाल है।
हाँ बिल्कुल, और यही आज हमारी बहस का मुद्दा है। क्या आइंस्टाइन का जनरल रिलेटिविटी का सिद्धांत, जो देखिए ब्लैक होल के बाहर गुरुत्वाकर्षण को इतनी कामयाबी से समझाता है, क्या वो इवेंट होराइजन के अंदर की पूरी कहानी बताने के लिए काफी है?
या फिर जैसा आपने कहा, क्या वहां क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स के अजीब नियम या शायद कोई बिल्कुल नई अनजानी
So this was the preview. Like this, it creates the whole audio overview. It can extend up to 30 to 40 minutes according to the sources it has been added. So like this, you can also create a mind map, but I will not show it into a demo video. You can do it and explore this whole tool. Now, in this middle panel, there is a chat section over where we can also ask, like, explain gravitational lensing. And here, as there are 4 sources, if we if we remove this both sources by clicking on them, so the answer will be created from these two only, which are ticked. So like this, we can also ask it, and it will give a perfect answer according to our sources added. So as you can see, based on sources, gravitational lensing is a phenomena predicted by Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity, blah blah blah. That all. So I think that Notebook LM is a great AI model. It can be very useful at the time of examinations, and it can be also useful in daily life. For example, if you are a YouTube creator, you are creating a videos on several type of knowledgeable facts. You are a content creator. So if you are making a video on any physics topic or any type of topic, you have to just add some of the resources into here and make a audio overview and then give it into the YouTube. And or if you are a podcaster on Spotify, you can also give this audio overview to make to give this type of content, to generate this content and show it on podcast. So I think that Notebook LM is great AI tool. It is very useful, and that was it for the video. Thank you and bye. Hello, my name is Mitansh Nayak and welcome to my course Create Anything with AI. So this is section number 7, some bonus AI tools, and this is lecture number 3, Chat GPT. So let's start. So in this video, I'm not going to do it with a website because I already have installed ChatGPT in my laptop. So website interface is like this only. After doing signing and login, this type of interface only appears on the website. Now, as you know, ChatGPT is a big name. Everyone has used it one time in their life because it is a big name. It can do anything. Everybody knows what things can a ChatGPT do, but one thing that some people are only uses that ChatGPT can work as a personal trainer, means a personal assistant. People thinks that some millionaire and billionaire person can only afford a assistant because they also take so much of salary. But with the help of AI, we can get a free assistant and using the Chat GPT. So for that, you can see on the left panel, there is a section called New Project. So you have to click on this project. For example, I am going to take, there are so many type of assistants, health assistant, gym assistant, etc. So for example, I am going to take assistant. So let's give the project name health assistant. Now let's click on create project. So over here, what does project means in ChatGPT? So after creating, let's click on health assistant. So this type of main interface comes. Now over here, you have to add several files. For example, I am adding files of my health report, any type of daily routine, healthy daily routine. So I am adding any type of document. I have made a Word document for an example. So for example, I am putting my health chart. So what does health chart means? I will show you what I have made. Wait a second. So in health chart, I have written my gender, my age, my weight, my height, my medical history. What have I done? Like these are the examples, not real. Two bone fractures, one time corona affected, head appendix operation. I am telling you this is an example only. Blood group O positive, vegetarian. So the in this is an example one. So an official health chart contains all the data of your health. Then I have also created this health routine. So what does health routine means? So what this will be my routine, that what I will have, what dinner means, what lunch, what things I will have. So this is my whole health routine, and these are the, and like this we can also put several type of more PDFs which shows our health routine and so these are the both documents, example documents which I have made. Like this you can add more also. So like this you have attached more files. Now you can ask it as an health assistant, as an health doctor. Like you can use it as a family doctor. You, if you have a pain, means I have a pain in shoulder muscle when I move it. So I have to give it some complaints and it will work as an health assistant and says us that what it will means, what is the things, uh means what are the causes, what are the reasons, what you should do, you should rest, you should take some things. Then this is the main thing. You can work as an health assistant. So, like this, you can make your AI, make the Chat GPT, the AI as your personal assistant, your personal manager who manages all things. It can be your health assistant, your daily life assistant, gym assistant, which can give you some home exercises, home workout. So, I think that Chat GPT is having this unique feature in itself, which no other AI has. So, we can use it in our day-to-day life. So that was it for this video, the lecture, the demo. Thank you and bye.